gooch off with them. As they try to trim them up, crewmates trying to help out, they make their turn around those very lovely vehicles. It's been a pretty tight race so far. As soon as they get around the corner, oh, cool, better luck. Alright, now these two guys, they're going to trade off, and they're going to go around. And their buddies are going to be the ones that are trying to stop the crisis.
Down the red ago, we saw that guy taking pictures.
Guys, get out here. They're coming around real fast. And then after this, we're going to have some lovely ladies push some pucks with their nose. That's where it gets a little crazy. All right, these guys going around. They look so crazy. Oh, we lost the call. Come on, go race now. Almost. All right. They're going to get all the way around. It's not done yet, though. All right, now you can start pushing the puck with your nose. Now they both get it. You got to get that puck into the net with your nose.
Oh my God.
I think this deserves a round of applause, just for the ladies alone. The guys are ready. But here's pushing some pucks with their noses. Let's hear it for the ladies. Once they're done with that, they got to take those pucks, get them all the way down to the end, and then we will declare a winner in our relay race. And then we got the fan band. All right, she got the puck in the net. Let's see who's going to finish this one up. They're going to shoot the puck. Go ahead. All right, now come on, keep shooting the puck. She's got a big lead all of a sudden. Keep shooting the puck all the way down. Try not to take anyone out in the process. All right, it's a close one. I think so. Oh! You gotta get it in. You gotta get it in the net. So close. Who's it gonna be? It's pretty close.